DROWELL hearing aids, OTC hearing aids to hear the world. It is one of the hearing aids that have 35 dB decibel gain. 10 minutes will get you 2 full hours of charging. An hour and a half to 2 hours to get you 20 plus hours of full range and 80 hours of standby. The hearing aids look really small, and there's a left and right mark down on them, as you can see me pulling out the hearing aids, and they have these little cap covers like so that go on. We're going to take them off, put them on for you, show you how we clean them and set the hearing aids up. On the hearing aid there's a multi-button press feather touch that if you hold this you may see a green light. For over 7 seconds it'll be manual on and off. And then when you short press the hearing aids, so let's show you what the hearing aids look like. USB-C charging cable, the actual case that has a blue light that will blink for charging, and they were charging the unit for a number of times, 4 or 5 cycles. The rubber cover comes off as simple as that. You then take the brush and you start to clean the hearing aid. There is this little metal tip on this particular side. You can get in there to pull out the wax and so forth. And then you take the cover and you slide it over like so. Then you place in the hearing aid to the appropriate spot. That would be the wrong side. This would be the right side. And give it just a little press down so the cover can close. And they are charging, as you can see the light blinking. When you pull them out, they're ready to be put in your ear. Now, on here there is a button right here. You press down, on for 7 seconds, and off for over 7 seconds. And tap it each time for louder and louder and louder, and recycle to the lowest. The hearing aid shown in the ear doesn't even look like you have a hearing aid. You simply can pull it out, place it in your ear, and they sit there. Double beeps, the triple beep will be for the loudest. So double beep for 1, double beep for 2, double beep for 3, 4, and then triple beep for 5, the loudest, and back to double beep for single. So we put the hearing aids in, just like so. And after you finish with them, just simply open up the case, put them back in the correct way, and off you go for the next time. Allow them to charge, and then when you need to charge it in the power source, and the cable like so, you get a blue light for charging. So you have 4 or 5 times to charge it in here. And if you're looking for hearing aids, that may be something that you are interested in to help decide, make a choice if these are the hearing aids for you. I hope you enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for.